I'm back here in Naplate, assessing, looking at the damage again, and actually talking to the people in charge of all of this cleanup to see if there's anything more that we can do from the state.
It's a community of 600 people, very close-knit. A lot of them have been down here all their life.
A sound like a train, but not a train I've ever heard. You know, it was just a terrible roaring and rumbling and blew out all the windows in the car.
The first responders are tremendous. They were right on the spot and got everything under control.
We've had Ameren on the ground since right after the tornado. They've had over 475 people stationed and ready to come in to fix all of the power lines, which were just, jumbled like string throughout the streets. So the utilities have been here. Nicor's been here. We're working with AT&T as well to make sure that we can get power and gas and our phone lines up and working, which is very important.
With the cooperation of the residents, we will be able to get Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, get a lot of this debris out of here.
This was an EF3 that rolled through here, and they will rebound. And that's what I like about it. These people are so close-knit, they're pulling together.
Even the people who moved away have come back from as far as Arizona and Florida to help in the effort this week. Caught planes and got back in and helping neighbors where they used to live or next to where they used to live.
I'd like to thank the first responders. I'd like to thank the people who are working in the emergency operating centers, the mayors. When this tornado hit, at first I think we were a little shell-shocked, as we always are anytime we have a disaster. But after that, that's when you see the good in the people come out. We're resilient and we will bounce back. We'll be better than we were before.
I really don't have any worries. My insurance company has been wonderful. The people down here, obviously you can see, are amazing. And I've lived here for 40 years.
And you'll keep living here?
And I'll keep living here, yep.